Hi guys, this is Sam from UberDriverNow.com. I just wanted to make a video showing you guys what the best features are of the Waze navigation app for Uber drivers specifically, but they're helpful for just anyone. But so this is the main app screen when you open it up. Just go ahead and tap on this bottom area where the magnifying glass is, and tap on this on the top left corner, the gear icon. You tap on that and it's going to show you the settings. I'm going to show you the best, even though it has a lot of features. I just want to show you the best ones that I found to be really helpful for Uber drivers specifically. Or, like I said, for just anyone, but specifically for Uber drivers, it's really good. So in these settings, you tap on, under advanced settings, you tap on display and map. And under display and map, there's details on map. Now, these are basically are things that will show up on the map when you're driving. So I've kind of just um, turned off some of them because I don't really, it just kind of distracts me. But the ones that I have on are crashes, traffic jams, hazards, and road constructions. I just want to know about those things when I'm driving. So I just have those on, but you can turn on, or off any of these options, which is really helpful. The second thing that I wanted to show you was the alerts en route. These also I've turned on because they're very distracting. Because as you're driving, it's gonna pop up different, messages saying that, oh, there's police spotted, half a mile away, or there's a crash, or there's a hazard on the road, hazard on the shoulder, so on and so forth. I mean, even though for other people this might be really helpful, for me it just seems like I need a simple version of Waze so that it doesn't distract me from driving. But these are very helpful, and you can actually turn these on, and it will pop up, all of these messages when there are any of these, along your route. So this is really helpful. The other thing that I really wanted to show you guys was, if you go back from display and map, go back one step and back to the advanced settings screen. The We go to navigation right here. Under navigation, now this is the best feature that I've found on any navigation app. And so the avoid toll roads is also available on Google Maps, avoid freeways, and that's also available. Um, and so one cool feature is that you can add toll HOV passes right here. So whichever ones you have from these, you can add them. And what that does is that it just kind of tells you, when you are driving, it's going to, um, Waze is going to find you the fastest way to your destination, and it will use these particular passes if you have them, and it will route you on those particular, through the fast track, or so on and so forth. So that, makes it even a more efficient route for you. But the best feature is right here where it says reduce difficult intersections, which is on right now. See, you can turn it on and off. And what this does is basically, it says when possible, avoid difficult turns like junctions with no traffic light, which is one of the best features of Waze. So when there's an intersection that you come to and you have to make a left on, and there's no traffic light, it becomes really difficult when it's rush hour, to make a left turn, because you have to look at the cars coming from your left, and then you have to look at the cars coming from your right side, you know. And it's a really, it's just a pain. So if you select this option, it's going to avoid, when possible, it's going to avoid those intersections where there's no traffic light. So that's, I would say one of the best features of Waze. And there you have it. Those are the best features of Waze for Uber drivers or just drivers in general. And hope you like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. And there is a lot more to come in the future. Safe driving, guys, and I'll see you next time. Take care.